Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. And I hope you'll like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, and give my channel some support. I would really appreciate it. I'm on the road to 1,300 subscribers, and I'm super close, and you could help me get to the next level where I will have a big giveaway with a whole bunch of great ColourPop stuff that you just can't even believe how cool it is. Or maybe you can. You're pretty bright. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a look with the Hank & Henry Mauves palette. And I got this from Boxy Pop-Up. And I have not used it or swatched it or anything yet. And it's beautiful. And I've got my wipes right here. I am ready to swatch. And this is Lickety Lilac. Not Today. And Rico Mauve. Can't see that first one. It's real light, super light. And then we've got, oh, I can't even read that. Isa Signal, Mauve Teens, and Bubba. This is a pretty subtle palette, but it's very pretty. And believe it or not, this is the first Hank & Henry palette that I've actually tried. I own several, but I just haven't gotten around to them. And this is Beat It, Rich Bitch, and Fine Wine. And it is a beautiful palette, and I cannot wait to do a look with it, which will happen right now. Woo. Party! Gonna get some groove on. Party! Gonna put some eyeshadow on. I'm ridiculous. Okay, if you did not know, I'm ridiculous. I'm gonna start with Rico Mauve in the crease. Oh, that's a great crease color. I have to pin my bangs out of the way. That is just beautiful. And this is a buildable eyeshadow. Beauties. And next I'm going to go into Bubba. Bubba. Bubba now. See you later. See you when wanna be ya. That is really pretty. I have to tell you guys, this morning, I think I live in a small apartment building, you know, outside the city in the cool hip part of town, and it's a real quiet building. But you know, we're friendly with our landlord. We've been here for almost 4 years. And we just love it here. And we know him, we know his wife, we know his dog, you know. But today, I think I heard them having sex. And I felt like I was listening to my parents have sex. I was just like, ooh. And they're older. It's like, ooh, I guess you don't die. Just because you get old don't mean you quit. But it was just the funniest thing. Am I blushing a little? I might be blushing a little. But I was just like, get down, Doug. You get it. Doug can get it. Oh my God. You guys are, he's good. He'll never watch this. So it's all good. Doug he's very impressed with my YouTube channel, but he has no interest in it whatsoever. So anyway, definitely a little red. So I'm going to go next into Marvelous. Brighten it up some. Have you all ever caught like your folks like at an older age? I mean, like when you're young and you catch them, that's one thing, but you ever caught your old parents, your old landlord having sex? It's just a trip. I'm putting a little more of the Baba up the top. And that is just so pretty. This is making just a beautiful look. Let me get a little bit of the Marvelous down here. And there's just a couple shimmers in here, which is Not Today and Rich Bitch. And bitch is spelled B-I-C-H, but you know what it means. You know what it means, girl. You done already know. Just blending this. Blending, blending, blending. Something I don't do enough of some days. And I'm going to go into Not Today with my little flat brush. That's looking real cute. This is kind of like the softer side of Rhonda. It's just a soft look. I don't do a lot of soft. I'm very colorful and stuff. I think I am going to put a pop of the Rich Bitch in the corner. And that looks super cute. Now I'm ready for liner and lashes. Liner and lashes. Do 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 do. Liner and lashes. Now let's use. I don't want brown. I guess I'm gonna go into my Lurella liner, which I've been using a lot lately. Oh, that's super cute. And I'm going to use Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes for my mascara. I can do that now. And I swear this Fetish Eyes mascara is just the best. Second only to the Dark Star, which I love so much. And now we're going to do a mauve lip to go with my mauve look. A mauve, 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 mauve. And this is number 175 in Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay, which is Ringleader. And there we have it, a look with the Mauves palette from Hank & Henry. And I'm super impressed with the formula and the performance, and I love the look that I've come up with. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.